Welcome to Kansas. This is the much anticipated hunting trip of the year for the North Carolina boys. It's December the 2nd, 57 degrees. Anticipating the temperatures to drop. We're up here on the range, home on the range. The boys have driven, Mr. Cheap Charlie and Greg have driven 30 miles you're up on now.
1,350.
1,350 miles, and I've probably flown 5,000 miles this week. I'd much rather fly than drive. And I met them in Kansas City, Missouri last night. I've been out chasing a little doe out west. Girlfriend lives out in California, so I spent the Thanksgiving week out there with her. You know, this is the first time I could actually say, you know, I might would have given up another week of hunting for a pretty little doe. I'm going to get that on record here.
Oh, no.
But I'm glad to be in Kansas. We've been looking forward to this all year. God's blessed us with beautiful weather. Hey, it's working. If you've never been to Kansas, we're going to show you some pretty scenery out here. It's just a total different look, man. It just you can just see about 7 more miles of skyline in every direction. But we're going to show you some smaller deer, some good footage. I think you're going to enjoy what you're going to see. I'm right here with my dad and Cheap Charlie is what we like to call him. Charles Mizell. He took a really nice deer the first morning. Dad took a really nice deer the first evening. And matter of fact, let's go ahead and show you what they've got. The famous swan hunter.
Yes, sir, buddy.
Cheap Charlie.
One shot, one kill.
Hey man, this is Kansas at its best. Pretty. You would do, wouldn't you? Would you do?
I think I would do. It's been a while since I've had this kind of luck.
Man, weren't those some nice deer right there? I was just hoping I could put one on the ground like the old men did. And what you're about to see is has absolutely made my hunting season this year. We're going to take you here to the 3rd day of the hunt. I think you're going to enjoy what you're going to see with me. Got Jeff Bryant, my cameraman, with me, old dad, and December the 5th is what you're getting ready to see. 3rd morning of the hunt, 3rd morning of the season. Still getting the night out of my eyes here. GB and Charlie have tagged out. It's about 12 degrees, and I got a tag to fill. 3rd morning of the hunt. Keeping my hopes high today. A little bit of fresh snow on the ground might get them moving. What do you think? 12 degrees? So what we're going to do today, we've got several spots we want to be, and this country is so big. We're going to kind of drive to a spot, get out, do some kind of drive spot stalking. So, hey, it's beautiful out here. Sunrise coming up. We're gonna hit it. It's getting light, so here in a minute we'll be able to see if the deer are moving. But I've got a feeling everything's gonna be all right. Did you see that?
I got on video.
Can you believe that? The North Cackalack spike on the Kansas Big Daddy Mac. That's just luck. That is just the good Lord right there. Did you see that? You got that on video?
Yeah, I don't.
That's a monster.
Let's go see him.
Hey, 150 yards.
Let's go see him. Call Charlie.
Hey,
we saw him coming from a mile away.
it's 12 degrees right now. It snowed an inch last night.
Look at those does. Is that them still standing down there?
We're in southwest Kansas. We pulled up to this spot we're coming to. We said we have got to come here this morning and hunt. So we pulled up and walked to this fence line. These deer are crossing this fence line, going around this fence like crazy. We glassed, saw 3 does coming. We thought. They got about 200 yards closer than I glassed, and it was Big Boy with them. And the does are still standing down there. I just propped up on my knee. I'd been running 200 yards. I just propped up on my knee and just put it up there on his upper shoulder. He dropped. You see it?
Yeah.
Hey, first time we've ever been on the hunt, all 3 of our hunters tag out. What about it? He's my biggest deer. This is my biggest deer, folks. On the Kansas prairie. What a buck. Hey, if I said it one time, it was his time to go, because we were just blessed. I wouldn't call it luck, I'd call it blessings. Great. What a hog. What a hog.
Now, did I kill that one? Is that the one I killed, or is that the one you killed?
Sure enough, out of the CRP, up the fence line, here steps Big Boy. And I said, oh, there he is. Here's my shot. This whole trip, thousands of miles, is coming down to this right here. And I had a good steady rest on my knee. I squeezed the trigger. Click. I looked at it. It's on safety. My heart was beating so much. I had so much adrenaline going. I buck fever. I just messed it up. I said, please don't run. So I flipped it up on fire. I thought you might can hear that on the tape. He's still standing there, and I squeezed it off. Man, was I ever excited when he dropped. I tell you, that's probably the most excited I've ever been on a deer hunt. And the main reason is it's the first big deer I've ever killed with anybody with me. And it happened to be my favorite hunting buddy, Dad. And he happened to have the camera and did a great job of getting it on film. And I was glad to share it with you.